Good evening, everyone. So I would be taking session today because sir is a little bit busy in something. So good evening, everyone. So if you guys write yes on the chat, it would be great. Then it will be confirmed that we are discussing, we are communicating. Okay, friends. Thank you. Thank you for confirming. So how is market doing? Are you guys enjoying market's movement? Good evening, Sankarji. Are you guys enjoying market movement? Yeah, yes. Okay, good evening, good evening. So good so far. It is, it is, it would be good even afterwards. It would remain good even afterwards. Okay, it will be all good if we are in quality stocks. So who all are in quality stocks? Who all are investing in, still investing in non-quality stocks? Companies which has losses, company which has sales degrowth, company which have okay, results has Tata Motor has given little uh, good result. Yeah. So, but still it's a risky investment. Yeah. So quality stocks only. People are investing in quality stocks. So most of you guys are investing in quality stocks. Let me ask a different question, that who all are struggling with quality stocks? Who all are struggling with investment while investing in quality stocks? Okay. Okay, nobody. Mahesh ji, how can you make comment for everyone? Okay. Dr. G is struggling with some of the quality, investing in quality stocks, finding quality stocks. So this webinar is this webinar is for selecting quality stocks. How can we select quality stocks? Now, what will be the outcome for what will be the outcome for selecting quality stocks? The outcome for selecting quality stock will be a greater return. So this is the reason we need to select quality stocks. Okay, great, Uday Desai ji. So this is a benefit of being with a quality stocks. So there are friends who are, so may I know who are new in this session? Those who joined earlier also. Okay, I saw a raise of hand of 2 participants. Okay, three people looks good. New in this group. Oh, many new people. Great, great. Okay. So, friends, this webinar is for finding quality stocks, which are the stocks that are doing great in the market. Thank you, Mahesh ji. Thank you. Okay, so we want you guys to become expert in selecting quality stocks. How would be like that? How would be about that? Are you ready to become expert in quality stocks, in picking quality stocks? Do you want to become expert in picking quality stocks? So first of all, before going to how can we select quality stocks, let us see the greatest person of this of this world, who is a giant and great investment, and who is an idol for all the investors, Mr. Warren Buffett. Would you like to see his strategy? How many of you want to see his strategy? How many of you would like to see his strategy? Okay, because we have very new people in this group right now. So we want to show you how Mr. Warren Buffett invests, and that too on his own annual report. So anybody in the group can say what is the company's name of Mr. Warren Buffett? Which is the company's name of Mr. Warren Buffett? Anybody in the group? Berkshire Hathaway. Great. Thank you, sir. So we are in the Google. typing Berkshire Hathaway. Okay, and we have this website Berkshire Hathaway. Okay, you guys can see the screen. Okay, and annual reports, we'll select annual report in Berkshire Hathaway. If we click here, in 2017 annual report, if we click 2017 annual report, so we will find on page number 25, there is something known as there's something known as Berkshire Hathaway acquisition criteria. If you guys can read it, Berkshire Hathaway acquisition criteria. Berkshire Hathaway acquisition criteria. Okay, now here he is writing, see what is so this is a, it's not a problem, it's just a understanding of, like, there is so many data available, there is so much authentic information is available in the market, but somehow we are not following it. Somehow we are not following it. There is so much data available in the market. Okay, so with this data, with this information, we can follow great people. We can follow great people and can become great investor. Who all agree to me? Especially the new people who are attending today. So with this data, with this great data, like where Warren Buffett is investing, where what is his acquisition criteria, if we can have those understanding in our mind, can we make good profit? Is it possible? Because he is making. Who all agree to this fact? That if we follow the greatest mind, we might not become as rich as him, but yes, we will be one of the person who will make profit out of the market. Even not get trapped. Markets में क्या होते हैं, हम लोग trap हो जाते हैं. We get trapped in the market, in rising market, in falling market. We are at nowhere. जहाँ पे हम लोग confused हो जाते हैं to what to do. So friends, Warren Buffett has made it very clear what is his acquisition criteria. So okay, so let us read one by one. Before reading that, he's saying we can promise complete confidentiality and very fast answer customarily within 5 minutes. Okay, within 5 minutes, the greatest mind of the world can identify which stock to invest in. How many minutes can you write on chat? How many minutes does Warren Buffett take to identify whether the stock he can invest or not? He can decide in 5 minutes. Friends, 5 minutes. Okay. How much time do we take? How much time do we take to decide on a stock? अगर friend से टिप आ रही है, तो I think less than 5 minutes. No analysis, nothing. But अगर हम लोग खुद analysis करते हैं, I think Anthony ji is writing 1 hour. I think 1 hour is also very less. Even I remember when I used to, I was always in research. So I remember when I started the journey, it took me days and days to identify as one great stock, to understand about the greatness of the stock. Even after that, the confidence is not there, because I can identify only one stock and I invest. If something went wrong, I used to curse, I used to say, no, my understanding is wrong. I have never taken a sample, a big sample to identify a stock. मैंने एक ग्रुप को नहीं स्टडी किया, मैंने एक ग्रुप ऑफ कंपनीज को स्टडी नहीं किया, लाइक 10-15 स्टॉक्स को एक साथ स्टडी नहीं किया. मैंने एक स्टॉक को स्टडी किया. अगर वो स्टॉक गलत चली जाती थी स्टडी, तो मैं सोचता था कि मेरी सारी स्टडी गलत है. तो फ्रेंड्स, यहाँ दिक्कतें आती हैं जब आप एक स्टॉक स्टडी कर रहे हैं. जब आप एक स्टॉक स्टडी कर रहे हैं तो यहाँ दिक्कतें आती हैं कि you don't know whether your strategy is wrong or the time is wrong. Who all agree to me? That is the reason you need to study a big data, a big sample. बहुत डेटा क्रंचिंग रिक्वायरमेंट है, बहुत ज्यादा इंफॉर्मेशन, बहुत डेटा, कंपनीज की बैलेंस शीट, कंपनीज के प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस, कंपनी की कैश स्टेटमेंट चाहिए, फ्री कैश फ्लोज, कैश फ्लो स्टेटमेंट्स चाहिए. इट्स बीन वेरी डिफिकल्ट फॉर आइडेंटिफाइंग, बट द ग्रेट पर्सन, हम लोग जब when we started, when we read this line that 5 minutes, how a person can do this, but the wheel was already invented, so we thought of checking कि क्या ऐसा कर सकते हैं हम लोग. So we did it. So let us first, so now some people may be saying 5 minutes okay, can be done. वॉरेन बफेट है 5 मिनट. सर प्लीज, वॉरेन बफेट है तो क्या हुआ, he is giving his whole stake. We would like to make acquisition in 5 to 20 billion range, 5 to 20 billion dollar. So फ्रेंड्स, सोचिए आप इतनी बड़ी इन्वेस्टमेंट वो 5 मिनट में डिसीजन ले रहे हैं, तो he must be having some strong criteria on his hand. So that strong criteria we identified. Okay, we identify all those strong criteria, and with these strong criterias, we went into the market, we did research, and we came to know which are the stocks that are doing very well. So let us come one by one. What is his strategies? What is he looks at for buying a stock? So are you guys interested to go in deep? Who all want to go in deep to understand what is Warren Buffett doing for making that huge wealth? Yes. So friends, large purchases, at least $75 million pre-tax earning, unless the business will fit into one of our existing unit. So he's looking at sales figure or operating profit figure. Okay, so यहाँ पे वो sales देख रहे हैं कि how big company is. If the company has good sales, then he is ready to go ahead. अगर कंपनी में revenue नहीं है, sales नहीं है, he is not interested. So with first he is making it clear that okay, I want at least $75 million pre-tax earning. Now, next is demonstrated consistent earning power. Anybody in the group who understand, who are new in this session, who has never attended our webinar, can you please write on chat what do you mean by this demonstrated consistent earning power? What do you understand by this? Friends, what do you understand by this demonstrated consistent earning power? If you can write on chat. Month on month income, okay. Anybody else? Consistent earning, okay. Bhaskar ji, you are somewhere okay, but let's see who all writes. Daily earn, okay. Continue earning despite market condition, no idea. That was a very honest answer, okay. Anybody else? A regular dividend, no. Yeah, this Anthony ji has got it. Growth in earning, either quarterly or month on month. So anybody in this group, so you guys must be knowing कि India में what is a period that in which we get the results. So if you can write on chat, India में हम लोग को किस period के लिए results मिलते हैं? Monthly, quarterly, yearly. ये तीनों मिलते हैं कि? Very good. Everybody knows it. That's great. So we get quarterly result. Do we get monthly result? Company की monthly earning हमें पता चलती है? Do we get monthly result? No. So we get quarterly results and we get annual result for March ending. Most of the company March ending. For few companies like which are MNCs, they are providing for December. So they are providing their annual result in December. Otherwise, we are getting result for annual and quarter. Okay. Everything is clear, friend. till now, no confusion. You guys are enjoying, you not enjoying, this is not an entertainment class, but yes, we are connecting and we are understanding few things. We are getting some understanding. Is it okay, friends? Yeah. So demonstrated consistent earning power means come Warren Buffett looks at profit growth. Let's be more clear, realistic and more clearer. प्रॉफिट ग्रोथ देखते हैं. अगर पिछली बार प्रॉफिट 100 करोड़ की हुई है तो अब की बार 120 और उसके बाद नेक्स्ट क्वार्टर में 130 या उससे ज्यादा. तो 100, 120 और 30. So profits are growing. Okay, growth is there in profit consistently. Okay, business earning good return on equity. Return on equity का मतलब क्या हुआ कि we are the equity holders. Okay, what a kind of profit company is generating out of our fund. आप जो stocks में पैसे invest करते हैं, where it is going? It is going to company. The fund which we are investing in stock market, this fund is going to whom? This fund is going to company, and company is utilizing that fund to invest in their business. And out of that business they are creating profit. जो हम लोग पैसे स्टॉक मार्केट में डालते हैं वो पैसे किसके पास जाते हैं? कंपनी के पास जाते हैं. कंपनी उन पैसों से बिजनेस करती है, बिजनेस पे वो रिटर्न क्रिएट करती है, प्रॉफिट क्रिएट करती है. तो हम लोगों का जो पैसा गया कंपनी में, कौन कौन पैसे डालते हैं? हम डालते हैं डेट्स मतलब जो लोन गिवर हैं, जो लेंडर्स हैं, वो लोग पैसे डालते हैं, कंपनी के प्रमोटर्स पैसे डालते हैं. तो हम लोगों को अपने से मतलब है, बिकॉज फर्स्ट यू हैव टू बी सेल्फ अंडरस्टैंडिंग. आपको खुद को देखना हो कि मैं क्या कमा रहा हूं. तो रिटर्न ऑन इक्विटी, हाउ ब्रिलियंटली ही हैज मेड. देयर आर मेनी पीपल हु आर डूइंग एनालिसिस. दे मस्ट बी क्वेश्चनिंग इन देयर माइंड, why not ROC, why not ROI, why not anything else? Because as a shareholder, you need to think about yourself first, then you can think about others. So पहले हम लोग को ये समझना है कि कंपनी में रिटर्न ऑन इक्विटी कितना है. जो पैसे मैंने उस कंपनी में, कंपनी के मैनेजमेंट को दिए हैं कि लीजिए मैंने 1000 रुपए का शेयर लिया, तो ये 1000 रुपए मैंने आपको जो दिए हैं, आप उस पे कंपनी प्रॉफिट कितना क्रिएट कर रही है. Are you guys getting? So return on equity, which we understand in Indian parlance, it should be above 15%. If you guys are not making return above 15%, then if the company is not making above 15%, then how will they provide us a great return in stocks? So friends, agar koi company ka return on equity is below 15% hai, that means company is so the profits, the stock price will also not grow by more than 10%, 15%. It need to have more than 15% return on equity. Next, what he says, projection, future projection are of no interest to us, not a turnaround situation. So friends, very clearly mentioned, we are not interested in any kind of projection. We are not interested in any kind of turnaround. Now, what does turnaround means? Company is in bad loss. Company is in bad loss. Sales are like 10,000 crore, but the profits are negative 200 crores, 20 crore, 30 crores. And you get a call from your friends, buy it, 200 crore loss. Next time the loss would get down by 100 crore. Still the loss would be there. Or you get a call from your friends, he say, भाई अभी तो 200 करोड़ का नुकसान है, नेक्स्ट ईयर ये प्रॉफिट में आ जाएगी 10 करोड़. फ्रेंड्स, those are just what I should say, people are playing with the emotions of investors. They all are playing with the emotions of the investors. They are taking our hard-earned money. They are literally taking our hard-earned money. So please only invest in profit-making company. Turnaround company is all only 5-10% companies do turnaround. Okay, 80-90 are they lost. They lose. They never come and turn around. It's become very difficult for them to turn around. Okay, so see, Warren Buffett is clearly saying he is making huge out of stock market. That person is saying do not invest in turnaround. Okay, now business earning good return on equity, we have spoken. While earning, while employing little or no debt. So friends, now here what comes, like somebody was thinking about return on capital employed कि वो देखें क्या करें. So friends, यहाँ पे वो यही देखते हैं कि company is not having huge debt. So with debt to equity, lower debt to equity ratio, you can identify what is the quality of debt company is holding, whether company is highly exposed to the debt, highly leveraged company or not. So it's very important to have less leveraged company, because what will happen, equity holders can wait. Achhe equity holders can wait with good companies, but debtor will not wait. They will file suit, they will call bhai paise do, and they will not stop. So the payment period, whenever they are about to receive their EMI, they need to have their EMI. So it's create pressure on the company when situations are poor. Management in place, like Yes Bank, because there was so much management shift, so nobody was taking in charge of that company, so he's not ready to take that. So that is something theoretical. Now simple business, yes, he say that if a blah 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 company, if you don't understand about the company, what company is doing, we are doing great, we are doing great, that doesn't sound great to him, and he avoid those companies. So this is one which is a uh, what should say qualitative approach, where he check the company, what exactly company do, what is its supply chain, what is its purchase chain, he understand what is its product, and then go for investment. So third is offering price. So what is it's been famous for Warren Buffett. He starts with offering price when with cash flow. So he discount cash flows and check okay, what can be the offering price for the company. So till now, okay, Lavani ji. So till now, do we understand sales? So what we understand with this acquisition criteria? Sales is important for Warren Buffett. Earning growth is important for Warren Buffett. A return on equity is important for Warren Buffett. Low debt is important for Warren Buffett. Profitability is important for Warren Buffett, and free cash flow is important for Warren Buffett. To know what price he need to offer to a company. Okay, what price company is the company is lucrative or not. So these are 4 5 criteria he is looking at, and he's minting money like anything in stock market. So friends, this is one. So how much time will we take in identifying all those things? It's been very easy to say profit growth, sales growth, and consistent and all. I think it would be very difficult to make it easy, to make it easy for customers, to make it easy for all the investors. The way people are struggling with identifying quality stocks, markets are at all-time high. They are correcting 3%, 7%. Recently, market corrected 7%. In these kind of scenario, you need to sit tight with your stocks. Do you agree? You need to sit tight with your stocks. Who all agree to this fact that we need to sit tight with your stocks, because markets are again moving up? Do you agree, friends? So markets are when markets are falling by 3 4 7 8%, and they're again bouncing back, and bouncing back badly. So if you guys exit your stocks, what will happen? You are losing opportunity, and you are becoming confused at what to do. Okay, so what will give you conviction to hold a stock? The quality of the stock will give you conviction to hold the stock. How do we define a quality? The quality is defined on basis of sales, profit, return on equity, low debt, and free cash flow. So friend, now I would like to introduce one of the greatest proprietary, which is nowhere in the world right now. I think nobody has created such understanding or such tool anywhere in the world, which is known as quality business code. which is known as quality business score. Okay, friends. Now I'm going to introduce you something which is an idea of Warren Buffett, which he is doing, which he has created in his paper. But now we want to reveal that understanding. We want to simplify that understanding with a small score, which is single score. Okay, friends. So what we have done, we have used these four criterias. Let me show you those four criterias. So before going to that, can I have one name, one stock name that we can discuss? Okay. So let us take Titan. Titan. Okay, let us take Titan. So you guys can open this website. It's very easy to open. Now I'm sending you a list of the link. So those who want to open this website and want to check, because we might not be seeing all the companies which you are typing, continuously typing. I've got the name. So please don't type any more name. So I've sent you link for how you can check the quality of your stocks. So you can also check, and you can please respond on chat. What is the quality of that stock which you are looking at? Okay. So let me take Titan. So what will we do? We need to open valuestocks.in. Now there is one icon you can see. Select winning stocks with QBS. Select winning stock with QBS. If we click on this, and type that company's name, like say for example Titan. So if you write Titan, so what will happen? It will give me all the details of Titan. What is its sales? What is its profit? What is its free cash flow? What is its return on equity? With the help of that, we can easily identify, and that too for 5 years instantly. And the best part of it is, just a second, it's taking time. The best part of it is that it can be identified on a single score. So what we have done, we have given score to each company. So we have given score to each company on, so you can see we have mentioned, so we have given four understanding, that good company, great company, good company, moderate company, and poor company. So this is how we have mentioned for all the companies. So those who want to know about stocks, please go in valuestocks.in. You can open, if you are in the system, you can open like Danesh ji, please open on your system. Then we have, I think, Avinash ji, please open NTPC on your system, so that if you have any problem, we can discuss. So Titan has score of 16 out of 22, and it's a good company. So instantly, whenever your friend or anybody who is recommending you any stock, you can instantly go and check which stock, what's the quality of that stock. Like Titan is a good stock. That means you can expect a good return from Titan. Okay. So what we have done, know how this 16 score has come for Titan. So let us check one by one. So as I said, the company provide quarterly results. All the company provide quarterly results. So we'll be seeing the latest quarter results of the company, EPS and sales, EPS growth and sales growth. The in recent quarterly EPS and sales growth, EPS growth was negative and sales growth was negative. So Titan got 0 marks. Okay, but in annual result, company has, in 1920, company has positive sales growth, positive EPS growth, but its cash flow was not positive. Whether it was positive but has high debt, so it got 0 marks. So you straight away come to know the company is little bit leveraged company. EPS stand for earning per share, and you can also consider it as a profit. So EPS is equivalent to profits of the company. Okay. So a return on equity is above 15, which is 23. so it's got 1 mark. So immediately you come to know that company अब last 1.5 साल से कहीं ना कहीं कंपनी थोड़ी वीक हो रही है, ठीक है. Now see previous year was 4, sales growth was up to the mark, profit growth was positive, free cash flow was there, return on equity was greater than 15. Yeah, I have given that. Valuestocks.in, website name is valuestocks.in. I'm again sending on chat. Okay, in 2017-18 company was struggling with free cash flow. In 2016-17 company was all okay. In 15-16 company was struggling with sales and profit growth, but free cash flow and return on equity was good. So all the way return on equity was good, it was doing well for his investors, but somewhere it was struggling. Once earlier it was struggling with sales growth and profit growth, now it is struggling with little bit of cash flow. So only one hinge, which is cash flow right now. And yeah, recently it has struggled with sales and profit growth. So immediately you come to know what is the 5-year history, fundamental history of the company. Okay, fundamental history of the company. So immediately you get to know what is the fundamental history of the company. Okay friends, is it nice? Did you find it useful? Will it be useful for you? If you want to know fundamental history, like on 16 score, you know that okay, companies of good use. Who all find it useful? Is it useful? Yes. So immediately you come to know, okay, the company has 16 score, and if you want to go in detail, like what we have tested, so this has been done on artificial intelligence. What we have tested is ये जो numbers आए हैं, 18 to 22 is a great companies, 15 to 17 is good companies, 10 to 14 is moderate, and then 9 and below are poor. This has come from artificial intelligence. What we have done, we have used artificial intelligence to find out which is that number above which, if you buy stocks, you don't need to see anything else. If you don't want to go, somebody like newspaper में क्या होता है? Newspaper में when you get newspaper in your house, who all read only headlines? Anybody who read only headlines? We have 134 people. In newspaper, what we do? We only read headlines. There are some people who read little bit after the headline. There are some people who read deep inside the thing. So everybody get the information as per their understanding. So इसीलिए newspaper उतनी strong बनती है कि आपको headline से ही सब कुछ समझ में आ जाए. So with this, the number, the 16 number, this is a kind of headline. Okay, so हम लोगों ने क्या किया है कि जो हेडलाइन है उसमें ही आपको दिखा दिया है कि कैसे आप आइडेंटिफाई इमीडिएटली कर सकते हैं. So Warren Buffett had made it for 5 minutes, so it's probably 30 minutes or 30 seconds or 1 minute task to get to know what is the quality of the stock. Now if you want to go little deep, you can check where company is struggling, whether in cash flow, whether in free or profit and loss. So if you can even go like 18 and above, no issue, let's invest. Okay friends, so 18 and above is like great stock. So let me show you one of the greatest stock, which is Whirlpool, or we can take Larsen Toubro Infotech, LTI. So let's take Larsen Toubro Infotech. It's a great company. It is in the greatest company list. So what happened? All the score of Larsen Toubro Infotech, if it has come with good quarter results this quarter, then we will be seeing that. So all the profit, sales, free cash flow, and so see, it has 22 out of 22. So the maximum score can be 22. So that is why we have written 22 by 22. So you can see it is growing in EPS, it is growing in sales, it has annually it is growing in sales. It has positive free cash flow, it has a high return on equity, and it is continuing its quality journey. It's continuing its quality journey again and again. Okay, ये अपने ये जो जर्नी है ना, क्वालिटी जर्नी ये कंटिन्यू किए जा रही है LTI, Larsen Toubro Infotech. So like this, there are 134 great companies are available with us. So there are 134 great companies are available with us. Will this report help you? Will this report help you in investing? 134 companies. Do you need more or it will be enough? Like with these companies will be 18 and above score. 18 and above score, friends. That means 18 के ऊपर उनका quality business score है. 18 and 19 के above quality business score है. That means हो सकता है कोई भी 22 points में कभी कभार कभी उनका EPS हल्का कम आ गया हो कभी, and there are 8 companies which has 22 QBS. तो आप जब भी ऐसे कंपनी में, so what kind of confidence you can generate when you are investing in this kind of company? Let me have this on chat. कि सर क्या आपको इससे कॉन्फिडेंस मिलेगा? Will you get a confidence while investing in such quality stocks? Will you guys get confidence? One should, you can buy good and great both. There are, I think, in good there are 127 something companies. So with this confidence, what will you do? Only 2 people will get confidence. I got answer from 2 people. So can I get answer from few more? Avinash is also saying yes. Anybody else? Okay, we'll be discussing Gopal Devi Shetty ji that also. Okay, yes, 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 exactly. So you will get confidence with this report because और market जब गिरेंगे ना friends, एक बार दो बार आप टेस्ट कर लेंगे and you will not exit your stocks. You will not exit your stocks. There we have 800 plus paid customers. They are like they have become so strong in stock market that they are not exiting their stocks anymore while markets are falling. They are buying. They are buying. So friends, it's become very easy to shortlist a great stocks, a good stock, and remove non-quality stocks, poor stocks. So now coming back again. So quality business score. So now somebody asked that what about, see, let me tell you one thing, one fact. However, yeah, the undervaluation is giving undervalued, buying undervalued or fair price has given good return as per the understanding. But let me tell you one thing. If you buy quality, you need not to follow any undervaluation. However, we have made a tool. We had made a tool where you can easily identify quality stocks. So in which segment, there are 3 segments: large, mid, small. So I will not be showing you all the segment right now. So I will be showing you only one segment, and other segment you need to join one-to-one webinar with us, the training webinar. You just need to register with us. My colleague, my friend will help you in identifying great stocks and getting your great return on your portfolio. So which segment, large, mid or small, which segment you want to know quality business score with fair valuation. So I got small, only one, mid, small, 2 small, 4 small, 1 mid, 1 large. So I think, oh my God, mid, small, mid, small. I think the winner is, anybody else is writing or should I calculate? Should I calculate now? Micro is nothing, so I will be considering micro as a small. Mid, small, mid, small, small. Anybody want to give vote? So let me check what is the number for small and what is the number for mid and what is the number large. I don't think large will win because, okay, people are still giving. Okay, let me check once again. So we have got the numbers. Now open an Excel. Just a minute. I will open an Excel for you guys. Let's check what has come. So it is small only. It is small, and this is also small, mid small. So 17 for small, and I have got 6 more messages. Let me check. One was for mid, so it become 11. Small is 2, and mid is 3. Still small wins. Okay, so let us go with the small only. So no more of polling. Thank you. Thank you for this. So sorry. Okay, so let us go to value stocks again. So when we come to stock screener, what we have made, what we have done, we have, you can come to valuestocks.in, you can come to stock screener. Now let me come to stock screener, and we will be showing you for small. So what we'll do, we'll take 18 and above as a quality business score, and we will select in valuation, we will select undervaluation. So friends, this is only one thing that I'm showing you. There are too many things which you can really navigate in this app. इस ऐप में आप बहुत कुछ कर सकते हैं दोस्तों, बहुत सारी चीजें कर सकते हैं. Sorry, very sorry for that. Yeah, you can't see screen. I have shared the screen. Everybody can see screen. Everyone can see screen. Dipanshu ji is not been able to see the screen. Yeah, Dipanshu, please check. I think something issue from your end. Yeah, thank you. So what we have done, we have used quality business score as 18. We have used valuation as undervalued. And as we said, we will be taking market size as small cap. Okay, so let's take small cap mini also and apply filter. When we apply this, we get some, these are some of the stocks. You can see in 2 years, they have given 124% return. In last 1 year, they have given 84% return. So you got valuation, you got quality business score, and that means जब आप valuation खोजते हैं, जब आप valuation खोजते हैं, yeah, the page will not open, sir. We'll be discussing that. Dipanshu ji will be discussing that. Okay. So आपको valuation भी पता चल गया. ये कंपनियां valuation में अंडर वैल्यूड हैं, एंड ये कंपनियां का क्वालिटी भी अच्छी है. कौन कौन से स्टॉक्स हैं यहाँ पे? एडवांस एंजाइम, धानुका, गैलेक्सी सर्फेक्टेंट, व्हाई नॉट 22. Yeah, small cap में any of the stocks does not have 22 business score, so that is the reason you're not getting any stocks at 22. Okay, large cap में हो सकता है हो, या if you remove undervaluation, then we might get. So that is what you need to find. Friends, this is a app which will help you. This is an app which will help you to fish in the market. अभी क्या हो रहा है कि हम लोग किसी और पे डिपेंडेंट रह रहे हैं, दोस्तों पे, टीवी पे, न्यूज चैनल्स पे. अब ये डिपेंडेंसी हटा दीजिए फ्रेंड्स. कम टू वैल्यू स्टॉक्स. Okay, please come to value stocks. It will help you. We are losing, investors are losing like lakhs and lakhs of rupees in stock market. Okay, or and that too with no knowledge, no understanding they are gaining. Okay, please Anthony ji, don't go by that. AGS we will be discussing in next session maybe. So or you can come to this one-to-one session and you can understand about AGS. Okay, so friends, ये सारे stocks हैं which are good in small cap. So find out जब markets गिरते हैं या markets बहुत high पे हैं, one should invest in large and mid cap. In fact, large cap में ज़्यादा investment होनी चाहिए. तो I think that stock will be very powerful for you guys. Don't you think? it will be a very powerful. How they are undervalued? Okay, Lavneet Puri ji is asking how they are undervalued. So what we have done, we have made a scientific way of identifying valuation of each stock. So मैं आपको वो दिखा देता हूँ. So if you click on Advanced Engine, so one tab will open. ठीक है, उसके अब further detailing कर सकते हैं Advanced Engine के बारे में. So let us do further in understanding Advanced Engine. So the current price is 337 and 337 and it is so it will tell you what are the valuation levels. अब हम लोगों ने ये कैसे आइडेंटिफाई किया valuation levels? What we have done, we have valued company on the basis of discounted cash flow, on the basis of Graham. ये बहुत ही deep understanding है Graham numbers. Then we have identified its valuation on the basis of earning per share and book value and sales. अभी क्या होता है, कंपनी जब कोई का वैल्यूएशन सेल्स के ऊपर निकलता है तो उसके 4 टाइम्स 5 टाइम्स दी जाती है उसको वैल्यूएशन. सो ऑन दैट साइंटिफिक अंडरस्टैंडिंग, ऑन दैट वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग अप्रोच, वी हैव आइडेंटिफाइड. सो इंट्रिंसिक वैल्यू इज दिस बिकॉज कंपनी हैज वेरी गुड सेल्स, प्रॉफिट ग्रोथ, तो कहीं ना कहीं उससे फ्यूचर प्रोस्पेक्ट्स क्रिएट हो जाते हैं कंपनी के. सो विद दैट फ्यूचर प्रोस्पेक्ट वी हैव क्रिएटेड वैल्यूएशन. सो बहुत ही साइंटिफिक अप्रोच के संग we have created this. So Lavneet ji, this will take some time, so either you need to do one-to-one session or you need to attend our 4-day program which will be on 22nd, from 22nd. So you can first of all, so friends, मैं क्या request करूंगा आप सबसे, we have 127 people right now, so मैं आप लोगों से ये request करूंगा, I will request you guys, it's a very good tool, it's like a Ferrari. Yeah, it's an online program, Lavneet ji. It's like a Ferrari and with at very low cost, I should say. So friends, before going into cost and everything, please look into this webinar on this one-to-one session. ठीक है, जिसके अंदर मेरे जो कलीग हैं who are product development, my product development team, my product group. So उन लोग से आप प्रोडक्ट के बारे में डिटेलिंग समझिए, और भी आपकी जो क्वेरीज हैं which you guys must be of curiosity, एक बहुत बड़ी curiosity if you guys are having in your mind कि how to use this tool, अगर मैं कल इस tool को यूज नहीं कर पा रहा हूँ तो how will I get support, what is the cost and everything. Yeah, undervalued Ferrari right now. Yeah, correct Kalpesh ji. So with all the qualities, so I'm just sending you this link. I'm just sending you this link. So यहाँ इसके इस link के through you can join one-to-one session. यहाँ पे आपको अपना नाम, email ID, mobile number and कुछ जो details भरने हैं. Yeah, so there will be a subscription, Sarath ji, and date of training, आपको कब training attend करना है and what should be कब आपको टाइमिंग आपको सुटेबल है, 1 hour of timing. So with this you will get to know this training. No, so see this training program, one-to-one session, जहाँ पे आप प्रोडक्ट के बारे में जानेंगे, this has no cost, this is free of cost. You can see book your free one-to-one training today. So friends, we have 121 people right now. So if you guys have enjoyed the session, if you guys have really learned something, because let me tell you once again friend कि ये जो भी बातें हैं, जो भी डिस्कशन है, it is not only about our profit, or it is about, we want to create a win-win situation for the investors where investors should win and we also win. So friends, it's a great tool. Sarath ji is saying, who all agree this is a great tool, one should have it. We have 118 people right now. Who all agree this is a great tool? Yes, only 1 or 2 people. Okay, 4 people, 5 people. If you guys are investing, do you need to have this tool with you? बहुतों के बहुत सारे portfolios होंगे. The portfolios are struggling to go to some extent. So please, मैं request करूँगा, please Arvind Arora ji, you can check in your system why your sound is not coming. So please, sir, please come to this one-to-one webinar. यहाँ पे आप लोगों को बहुत सारी अंडरस्टैंडिंग और भी डेवलप होंगी. आपको समझ में आएगा कि which are the which how to use this tool. आपके भी माइंड में like somebody is asking अंडर वैल्यूएशन कैसे खोजना है. Somebody may have understanding कि I only want those stocks which has momentum. Then maybe few people who are investing daily, maybe not investing, they are investing for 2 days, 3 days. So they are looking for those stocks which are in momentum. Okay, so आपको वो tool भी मिलेगा with our alpha generator score. This is one of the, because we don't have time. If we explain about QBS, it takes one session to explain. So 1 hour वही ले लेता है, quality business score ही ले लेता है. It works everywhere, sir. Just you need to have understanding of what app it is. Okay, and moreover we have Nifty. So that is one of the greatest advantage. You know the trend of the market. You come to know the trend of the market, where market is going with the Nifty trend. So it's a full proof app. Moreover, that we have mutual fund in it. So अगर आपको mutual fund में investment करना है कभी भी, you can identify which are the quality mutual funds that you need to invest. So friend, what can be the return after 3 to 5 years using this tool? If you invest it properly with this app, if you invest properly, the return would double. In fact, more than double, sir. Okay. I'm forgetting the name of that person. Nilesh Shah, as you said, and one more. Damani, Ashish Damani. He has said if you invest in quality stocks, on an average the CAGR is 25%. So that means that comes around in 3 to 4 years, you are doubling your profit. But you need to be in quality stocks every year. Ramesh Damani, sorry, very sorry for that. Yeah, Ramesh Damani. So there was one video in YouTube in which he clearly said that in 20 with 25-26% CAGR, you can create 100% return if you are investing in quality stocks. And I think where he's coming from, Ramesh Damani, if he is quoting this point, where he is coming from? What do you think? Where he's coming from? Anybody in the group? How did he be able to say this number? That you can double your, no, nothing. Sorry. Basically, whom he is following? Let me ask, answer. Whom he is following? No wrong answer. Anybody? Yeah, Lavneet ji, Warren Buffett. And with the in the beginning of this session, we started with Warren Buffett, his ideology. So everybody is either it be Ramesh Damani, or it be anyone in the stock market, like Motilal ji and all. Sorry, I'm forgetting all names. Very sorry for that. So not Jhunjhunwala ji is, I think he is not actually following. Radhakishan Damani and all, Motilal Oswal, the Agarwal ji, yes, Agarwal of Motilal Oswal. So yeah, Kedia and everyone, Ashish Kacholia, everyone is following only one person, that is Warren Buffett. The Ramdev Agarwal, very sorry for that. Yeah, Ramdev Agarwal. So each and everybody is following this person, Warren Buffett, and he is there. We all are doing nothing. We are somehow trying to understand, and now this is the time. So everybody has got this understanding, either it be Ramdev Agarwal ji or anybody, or like Ramesh Damani, not, but they are not giving that exact understanding to the clients, to the investors, because they feel that investor will not understand this. But with this, we got this understanding after doing research, that this can be given to investor very easily if we can create a tool. So nobody thought about creating this kind of tool right now, जिससे client immediately stocks निकाल सके. ठीक है? So please friend, please join this one-to-one webinar. I would be very happy if you like the session. Please join this webinar. I'm expecting there were 120 people. Right now we have 100 people in the session. So I'm expecting at least 70-80% to join this one-to-one webinar, because these are your hard-earned money and we don't want you to lose on your money. Okay, and make good profit out of stock market. बहुत arbitrage है friends, बाजार में बहुत arbitrage है. Still there are 1 crore 40 lakh people are there in stock market, जिसमें कुछ हजार लोग हम लोगों से जुड़े हैं and they are doing very well. और भी आने वाले समय में तो there is huge arbitrage left. क्वालिटी स्टॉक्स आज भी हमें बहुत कम दामों में मिल रही है फ्रेंड्स. इतनी बड़ी आर्बिट्राज है. आई मस्ट आर्बिट्राज मींस कि इतनी बड़ा गैप है. द समथिंग इट शुड बी 500 एंड स्टडिंग एट 100 रुपीस. ठीक है, और आप हर समय क्वालिटी स्टॉक्स इज इन योर फिंगर टिप्स. सो दैट इज समथिंग ग्रेट फ्रेंड्स. सो प्लीज जॉइन दिस वन टू वन वेबिनार. आई होप मोस्ट ऑफ यू हैव जॉइंड. एनीबडी हैविंग एनी इशू विद कि ज्वाइनिंग करने में कोई दिक्कत हो रही है, कुछ हो रही है, तो you guys can call on this number. The number is 833-608-7004. So you can check this number and talk to Prateek. He will help you if you are having any trouble in one-to-one session. तो आप directly भी इनसे बात करके इसके बारे में समझ सकते हैं. So any other query, friend? Any other query, friends? Any other query, or should we end the session? Did we like the session? Please clear whether qualities to check for long-term holding. Yeah, this is so friends. If you are looking for 5-year sales, 5-year profit, so what do you expect? What would be the quality of the stock? It would be great. Okay, the holding would be for quarterly. Yeah, after the quarter results come, you need to rebalance it. The phone number is 833-60. You can see this number I'm showing on the screen, 833-60-87004. Nitesh ji, I mean, I don't know who is Nitesh ji. I mean, can I have Nitesh ji's contact? Nitesh ji is no one here right now. I think for AGS you need to come to one-to-one session. Anthony ji will explain there. Satyendra ji, this buying and selling of day-2, please don't see it for daily. That should be seen quarterly. Okay. Anyone else? So friends, please join this one-to-one session. It's surely going to help you a lot with your investments. Thank you, Anthony ji. Thank you for the appreciation, but it's all coming from a great understanding. The guru is only one, Warren Buffett, and then everything has come. So everything is coming from a great person, and we are only just applying those principles and making it simple for everyone. Thank you everyone. Any query, or we can end the session? Thank you, sir. Thank you. Yeah, please, Vinashi, please join this one-to-one session. This will help you as an investor. This will help you to get greater return on your portfolio. That is what we can assure you. Dipesh ji, please join this one-to-one session. If you like the session, please join one-to-one session to further understand about the product. Otherwise, the session will have no use, because we want you guys to invest in a great quality stocks. Until you have the control over the app, you will not be making great return. Markets are really very cruel and will make it difficult for you to create great return in stock market. Yeah, I think this would be uploaded in YouTube, so you can see from there, Krishna ji. Right now, I don't have YouTube link, so this there will be some editor will edit little bit of thing, and then they will upload this video. Thank you, Anthony ji. Thank you for the appreciation. Anything else, friend? Thank you very much. Thank you for your time, your valuable time, for understanding, for everything. Thank you. Thank you, everyone. Thank you. Goodbye. The subscription charges, Kaushik, if you go to valuestocks.in, you will get to know the subscription charges. It's written over there, pricing and subscription. So, yeah. So it's pricing and subscription is there. So there is everything is there. So, but it's better if you can join because which will be suitable for you. There are lots of subscription and thing. You might be a large cap player only. You might be a small cap player only. So it would not. I will not justify if I tell you about pricing and subscription. That is why we are connecting through one-to-one session where you will come to know about the charges and everything. Okay, friends. Thank you, Anand Joshi ji. Thank you. Looking forward for you to attend a one-to-one session, sir. Anyone else? Should we end the session? Any query or any kind of feedback? Thank you, Vikash Kedarji. Please join one-to-one session, Vikash Kedarji. This will help you to understand product better. Yeah. Thank you, everyone. Thank you for joining this webinar. I'm ending this webinar right now. Thank you.